So this is 2 weeks now after the lumbar decompression and stabilisation. So now you're standing very upright. How do you feel?
Fine.
Yeah? Your posture?
I know I'm standing up straight because I'm thinking about it, but as I do it, it becomes more...
Can I see you on your side? No, look, that's great. And if I can see you walk, but just be a little bit careful with that step. Any pain? Are you getting any pain?
No, not in the dirt.
Yeah, great. And then back. Now be careful with that step again. So, yeah, see, you've got a bit of a spring in your step.
Well, we live in a house with like 40 steps and I go up and down all day.
Wow, and it was only 2 weeks ago, you know, when you've had the operation.
Are you telling this? Oh.
Well, only when it's doing it.
Yes.
She doesn't believe me, so I'm
No.
going to see it today.